Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Are you looking to declutter your life or maybe add some organization to it? You need storage. Well, that's what we have right here at Builders, and they've got a lot of solutions available to you. Let me take you through some of what they have to offer.
When it comes to storage, the options are endless. From sorting the space in your garage out to creating order in bedroom and kitchen cupboards or communal living areas, it is easy with Builders' extensive range of storage solutions. In fact, Builders has everything from the basics like packaging tape and tape dispensers and decorative tape to enhance your project with a variety of more permanent storage solutions. Take Builders' wide range of pop-up fabric storage boxes for instance. They're available in a variety of colors and sizes, making them perfect for storing everything from socks to shirts. Builders also has a huge range of plastic storage boxes and organizers to choose from. They're available in a variety of shapes and sizes, so you're sure to find a solution that works for you. They also have just the right thing to sort the kids' toys out too. Fun and functional, they're a great way to help your kids keep their rooms tidy. From DIY to hobbyists and neat freaks, Builders has the storage solution for you. And you can choose from Builders home brands or other leading manufacturers. And don't forget, if you need advice, there's always a member of the Builders team on hand to help you find exactly what you're looking for.
Well, as you can see, Builders has a wide variety of services and products available to you. But why not also use their online store and get safe and convenient delivery right to your doorstep? You can use their website, which is www.builders.co.za, or otherwise pop into your local Builders. Get to Builders, get it done.